I need all of us. Bullet in the bundle with the big frames. Nigga talking stupid, I'm a big ape. I hit the road and big bank. You hit the road and make big blanks. I'm too swift, I'm too smooth. Like a big body truck. Right here, getting switcheroo.
Sliding in that queue, you can't waste my time. You ain't talking about the money, don't hit my line. Hit the real fresh just to fuck it up. Can't let a basic bitch come cuff me up. I'm a young nigga tryna chase them fucking bucks. Here come these Benji racks, I don't give no fuck. You a goofy ass nigga, lil' Donald Duck. How you cuffin' on a thought shit, lil' slut?
YouTube, man, what it do? What's going on? It's your boy Q50 Reggie. In today's video, as you can see by the title and possibly the thumbnail, we are on the way to a JDM car meet, man. This is like a last minute decision. I just got off work. I went home, washed the car real quick, and I'm just like, let me come out and get some content for y'all, man, because I'm low-key tired. I was about to go inside, go to sleep, but I'm like, let me put some content out for y'all boys, man. So right now, like I said, we on the way to a JDM car meet. We are 16 minutes out, and yeah, hopefully I don't regret not just going to sleep. You feel me? Hopefully I see some nice ass cars, nice JDMs, and yeah. I'm like, it's been a minute since I've been to a little car meet. I've been working a lot. I just did some headlights yesterday. I'm probably put the clip up.
Yeah. Yeah, blue niggas always losing hoes. Nigga can't put no food on bad hoes.
And yeah, man, business slowly starting to pick back up with the headlights and work. I've been working a lot, you know, 30-40 hours a week tight, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I gotta bear with me, man. We trying to make it out, but you know what I'm saying, we gotta do what we can. I done lost track of what I was saying, but yeah, we gotta make what we have count.
Shut up, bitch.
Feel me? If that's how you say it. So y'all boys just sit back and enjoy the ride with me. And yeah, man, I'm about to get a little quiet. I want some sound deadening like film, cause I can hear the wind from in here. That shit low-key annoying. I'm not even gonna lie. Like the wind is strong as hell, and it's so loud. I thought it was the AC at first, but it's not even the AC. It's outside. Fucking gosh. Yo, what the fuck was that? Bro. Just when I started giving Miami credit, what the fuck was that? Nah, bro, come on now. Damn, bro. I was just giving Miami credit. What the fuck? Fucking dumbass highway, bro. ass fucking highway, bro. You see right there, bro. Yeah, that's my glasses on this side. Let me throw these in here. So we left him dead and in the present, and it's printed on the dollar. Supposed to turn right here? Yeah. I don't even know where to meet at. I don't even know. Oh, is it over here? Damn, this shit packed. What the fuck? Damn! What the hell? Yo, this shit packed. Bro, damn. Hold on, I might have to go back around. Damn. I was not expecting that much people, bro. I don't even know where to park. I'm gonna get something to drink real quick. Get something to drink. Damn, I remember last time I came over here, the gas station was closed. That's crazy. Let me go get something to drink real quick. My mouth kinda dry, low key. Let's get something to drink real quick. Biscuits. I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna get a water. Just give me a little smart water.
They come across, you said? No, we don't. Thank you.
Don't. Alright, let's get up out of here. Let's head back to the car meet, because I don't even know where to park at. I don't even know if I know anybody that's here, man. We gonna see though. I don't even know where to park, bruh. This shit overly packed. This shit. God damn, this bit overly packed, bruh. What the fuck? Gotta see where I could park at, man. We about to see right now. This shit crazy packed. Cat loud, boy. Guess we park over there. I ain't gonna lie, low-key got a headache, bro. I low-key got a headache, bro. We gonna thug it out, though. I don't even know where to park, bro. Oh, it's up here. I'm so confused, bro. I'm so confused. Trumpet, that shit sound nice though. Love my VQ boys, man. Love my VQ boys. Damn, he didn't cook get his headlights. That boy need to tap in with me. Could get your headlights done, man. That shit hard. I think that's that boy Neil shit. Damn, bruh, I don't even know where the hell to go, my nigga. I'm so fucking confused. I'm about to swing around like them boys. They still shut down over here? Oh. I know they still be doing donuts and shit over here. Every now and then. There'll still be people chilling out here. I don't know where to go. I don't know nobody that's here right now. Damn, that police shut it down already, bro. God damn, nigga, we ain't even found no place to park at. Niggas ain't even find a place to park, and I think the police trying to shut it down. Damn. I'm trying to find a place to park. I think I found somewhere to park, though. That's where I'm about to go right now. I'm just trying to keep it calm. I'm gonna park right in here, bro. What the hell? Shit sound like a lawnmower, man. I'm about to park right in here. Low-key y'all trying to shut it down, bro. I'm just following the crowd, man. Now I can park right there. This shit hard, boy. Nice little cat. I'm just trying to get some content for y'all boys, man. Look like police done shut it down already. I don't think so, though. I think they probably, like, the organizers probably talking with them, trying to get them to, like, come to an agreement. So, this package on. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, my forehead looking crazy, so let me put my hair down. Alright, YouTube. So, we are back vlogging. And I hear some loud ass cars, so we about to go check it out, see what it is. And they just stopped. I hope if I go over there, they better not stop. But yeah, we outside, man. It's kind of dark over here. We in a tiny ass parking lot, but it's, I ain't gonna lie, it's some fun shit. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Look at this though. Oh my god, hold on. Oh my god, bro. Oh my fucking gosh. No Diddy, bro. Oh my god, bro. I touched the fucking C8. I'm not washing my head. I'm not washing my head. You leaving? Wait, hold on. Let me borrow your phone real quick. Let me recreate this picture with this. Oh my god. I had to recreate the picture real quick, man. Well, we about to go see what the action is right now. This shot, damn, let's go over here. Let's go over here real quick, see what's going on. Oh, damn. There's some smooth shit out here, man. Ooh, what the hell? I ain't gonna lie. That's a 90, man. Man, boy, that bit hard, dog. All black GTR. Thick boys, too. Oh shit. That was funny as shit. Bro, chill out, man. Let me go get my car real quick. Man, I'm not gonna lie, low-key died down pretty fast, bro. I don't know if I came too late or what, but this shit kinda dead now. I see straight old heads, but it's motivation. I need that C8, bro. That fucking C8 was so damn hard, man. Action, bro. I missed all the action, dog. Damn. I missed all the action. There's shit going on right now. I'm gonna pick up the camera when there's some action going on, cause right now it's low-key dead, and I'm about to leave. I'm not gonna lie. So a 20-minute drive, low-key a waste, but the CA made for it. So yeah, man, y'all boys stay tuned. This nigga back? This nigga back? No fucking, bro. This nigga came back, bro. Yo, chill out. Ooh, damn. Hold on. Damn, look at all the smoke, man. What the fuck? Nah, yo. Bro, what the fuck? Swinging out here. Oh, okay. Why the Q get sideways though? Damn! Nah. Why the Q getting sideways like that, dude? I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm gonna have to start back spinning my shit, bro. Yo, why the Q get sideways like that? Damn. Nah. That motherfucker got sideways, bro. Oh, what the hell? You about to do it again? Oh, he going that way. Oh, I think he about to swing his shit again. Oh, he going to get. Oh, he tripping. Don't Mac now. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I gotta start spinning my shit again, bro. I gotta start spinning my shit again. I didn't know you could get sideways like that. Damn, hold on. Hold on, car, yo. I ain't gonna lie, I might have to start spinning my car again, bro. I didn't think you could get sideways like that, bro. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, cuz. Bro, I got it. For real. Let's see what he about to do. Good, my boy? You good? doing that for real. That's in this mode. Yo, niggas out here crashing out, bro. Dog. Niggas out here crashing out, bro. Niggas out here crashing out, bruh. Yo. I ain't gonna lie, but I'm glad I picked the camera up and started recording, man. Oh, these niggas out here crashing out. God damn. Niggas out here crashing the fuck out, bro. They is bamming out right now. I low-key wanna bring my car in this bed, bro. Hold on. Is that nigga Jay? No, I don't know who that is. Let me go get my car. Tight shit. Y'all boys, look at this cat though. Look at this fucking cat. This shit wild, dog. Hold on, let me turn the flash on. That shit do no justice. Ooh. Damn. Damn, boy. Man, niggas out here crashing out, bro. Niggas out here crashing the fuck out. But look at my whip, though, man. We cooling right now. Yeah. Let me turn it on so y'all boys can see. I think it's on the same mode, purple. For real. Yeah. But y'all know this already, man. If y'all need y'all headlights done, I wish I had business cards. I would put it right here and right here, man. Q50 owners, tap in with me, man. I do some good work on some headlights, man. Y'all boys tap in. I'ma down for sure get y'all right. Pop the clip up. But yeah, man. Y'all boys tap in with me. I'm about to go back over there. I'm about to get the I might switch back to this camera, so y'all boys stay tuned. If y'all watching this, y'all tap in, bro. Y'all too. This one. Y'all tap in with me. I'll get y'all right for sure. Y'all could do upgraded DRLs or y'all could do 4 RGB light mods, man. Y'all boys tap in. I got the cheapest prices right now, South Florida. From what I know of, y'all boys stay tuned to the video. We about to get back out there. Damn. Making me want to move my car, bruh. Damn. Yo. Oh. Man. Yeah, it's shot dead in here. I ain't gonna lie, boy. This shit died out kind of fast. Low key. Why shorty keep looking shy trying to get hit? Little G. Tight. I ain't gonna lie, VQ, y'all down. VQ, negative 10,000 aura, bro. How a Corolla keeping up with y'all? Come on, bro. Me personally, ain't no Corolla keeping up with my shit. VQ, y'all did it to yourself for that one, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all done did it to yourself. Oh, this is the ultimate crash out. Oh. I ain't gonna lie. They crashing out. Damn. I ain't gonna lie. Time to go, y'all boys. They done bammed out all the way. I should have parked my car down the street. They bammed out. Oh, my fault. Damn, they done bammed out, bro. I think I might get a ticket. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, they done crashed out, bro. Fuck, how am I gonna get my car out of this? Shit. Damn, how am I gonna get my car out of this, bro? You parked over here too? You parked over here too? Yeah, how am I gonna get my car to... Should I just sneak it? I ain't gonna lie. Time to go. Time to go. Time to go. They bamming out, bro. They bammed out. They done bammed out. Hold on. Time to go. No ticket for me, y'all boys. No ticket for me, y'all boys. Oh shit. Wait. They doing roadblocks. Oh no, they not. No, they not. Hey, no ticket for me, y'all boys. No ticket for me. I ain't gonna lie. They bamming the fuck out right now. Uh-oh, I think police shutting a bit down, y'all. Time to go. Damn. It's looking like it's time to go. Damn. Police coming through in a bit. Looking like it's time to go. Oh, what happened? No. Oh. No. No. I ain't gonna lie, police crashing out. Tour crashing out. Tour crashing out. Tour crashing out. Oh, what is he doing? What is he doing? I ain't gonna lie, bro, crashing out, bro.
You gonna call the police?
Wait, he hit him?
He just hit him.
Who, the police hit him?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, he get a check. He get a check.
He nervous, bro. He don't know what to do. He nervous.
No. Police crashing out. No. What is he doing?
Yeah, the cop reversed into him.
No. I don't know if y'all heard, but I guess the police that hit somebody's car trying to I ain't gonna lie, bro. I think it's time to go, bro. They about to start crashing out and closing all this shit. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Crashing out. He don't even know what to do. Why he still reversing? Yo. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Need to lay off the bath salts, bro. Bro, crashing now. He don't even know what to do. He probably calling for backup right now. What's he doing? Damn. That nigga. Yo. Bro, crashing out. I ain't gonna lie, yeah, I think it's gonna be time to go, bro. He probably calling for backup right now as we speak, bro. Yeah, time to go. He calling for backup. He done crashed out. Time to go, y'all boys. I ain't gonna lie, they need to come get their headlights done, bro. Real shit. I do headlights, tap in. Real shit. Oh, they crashing up. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, this bit hard. What the fuck? Oh shit. Oh, this bit hard. What the fuck? Yeah, them boys got 4 cop cars out here. Oh, 5, 6. Oh, this the ultimate crash out. I ain't gonna lie, they crashing out. Damn. I ain't gonna lie. It's time to go, y'all boys. They done bammed out all the way. I should have parked my car down the street. They bammed out. Oh, my fault. Damn, they done bammed out, bro. I think I might get a ticket. I ain't gonna lie. Damn, they done crashed out, bro. Fuck, I'm gonna get my car out of this. Shit. Damn, how I'm gonna get my car out of this, bro? You parked over here too? You parked over here too? Damn, how I'm gonna get my car to... Should I just sneak in? I ain't gonna lie. Time to go. Time to go. Time to go. They bamming out, bro. They bammed out. They done bammed out. Hold on. Time to go. No ticket for me, y'all boys! No ticket for me, y'all boys! Oh shit, wait. They doing roadblocks. Oh, no they not. Hey, no ticket for me, y'all boys! No ticket for me! I ain't gonna lie, they bamming the fuck out right now! Yo, I ain't gonna lie, yo, I ain't gonna lie. Hey, it's time to go to the crib, nigga. Yo, they bammed out. Bro, they called the whole police squad. I ain't gonna lie, I hope what's his name? Stamps. I hope them boys get out, bro, cause they, I ain't gonna lie, them boys in them trenches right now. They in them trenches, no cap. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it's time to go, bro. They bamming out. Damn, I don't even know how to. Oh, okay, this way. Time to go to the crib, yo. Hey, we made it! Mama, we did it! Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I had to sneak in that bitch. I think I got it on this camera, but I had to sneak in that bitch, get the fuck out of there, bro. Cause I ain't gonna lie, yo, they started bamming now. They called the whole police squad, cuz. I'm gonna check what that is when I get home. Boy, I'm sweating right now. I ain't trying to get no tickets. This police right there. I'm not trying to get no ticket. I'm going 75. I ain't trying to get no ticket, bro.
Yeah, we got the statues. Pulling up now.
Oh, it's dummy traffic. Oh my God, and I'm hopping in the express lane. What the fuck? No. No. At least I'm dodging this traffic though. At least I'm dodging this traffic. Okay. Oh, it's a fucking merge. I didn't even know that shit was a merge. I almost crashed out on the fucking video, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that shit was fun though. That was fun. Yo, police really backed into somebody. And that nigga called for backup. Nigga had about 10 cars out there, man. I wonder how much niggas got tickets. Cause I ain't one of them. Thank God, boy. Thank God about it. I got up out of there. No cap. Cause them boys just bammed out, bro. Real shit. What is that clicking noise? Is it this? Oh shit. I'm tripping. I'ma figure it out when I get home. Him's coming in. Again. I think this thing about to die. Might go ahead and end off the video, man. If y'all boys like this video, y'all boys leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel. If y'all boys enjoyed this content, y'all boys leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm working on getting quality content. I'm still getting used to vlogging in public and stuff like that. I know I'm a little socially awkward, but you know what I'm saying? You gotta break out of that sometimes. So I'm still working on it, and it's gonna keep getting better. Cause if y'all remember the first, like my first ever YouTube vid, boy, I was nervous as hell. I couldn't even talk to the camera. I was always stuttering and all that stuff. I don't think I put it in the video because you know what I'm saying. You gotta edit to perfection, man. You gotta cut things out. But yeah, man, I was a lot nervous back then being on camera. So we lit now. We lit now. We still getting used to it, but I mean, you know what I'm saying? We about to be like 2 years in, I think. 2 years in making content, and it's only been going up. We almost had 2,000 subscribers. Yes, sir. Turn me up, chat. Y'all boys let me know what I should do for 2,000 subscribers. Should I do like a giveaway, like a raffle, to give away like some custom like headlights? Custom full RGB headlights, like fully decked out type shit like mine? Y'all boys let me know in the comments. I'll definitely do that. I'll set up a raffle, and whoever win the raffle, probably set the thing to like $5. So like people could enter. It's not too expensive. Do a little raffle off, get a full set of RGB headlights. That'd be cool, for real. But yeah, man, we about to go ahead and end off the video. If y'all boys like the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so y'all boys know the next time I post. And yeah, man, y'all boys stay tuned to the next one, man. I'm gone.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.